Hello everyone, welcome back to Have Fun with Shapes with Susan. Today we're gonna make a girl. A girl needs to have long hair. Does our girl have long hair? Let's take a look. First, we take the biggest semicircle and put it here. This is your ponytail. I like your long hair. I like your ponytail. Now I'm gonna put your face on. We use the peach circle to be your face. Oh, you want ears, right? One ear, 2 ears. How about putting eyes here? 1 eye, 2 eyes. Wow, I like your big eyes. Hello, girl. Oh, you want more hair? No problem. I'm gonna give you more hair. Something is wrong. Yes, you need some bands too. Hi, beautiful girl. Look, this is our beautiful girl. Look, she has a really beautiful ponytail. Does Susan have ponytail? There. Do you have a ponytail? Or maybe, if you're a girl, you could have one. And if you're a boy, you better not have one. Okay, see you next time.